Hi guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone's wallpaper. Okay, so first of all, we're going to go to settings. In my case, you can see my icon is right here, but if you're having trouble finding it, you can just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so, and just start typing the word settings. As you can see, the settings icon appears right here. Just click on it. Okay, now we're going to scroll down right here where it says wallpaper. Just click there. Okay, as you can see, this is my actual wallpaper. I have the same wallpaper for when I have my screen locked and when I have it unlocked. Okay, so we're gonna hit here where it says choose a new wallpaper. Okay, so we have this default options that iPhone or Apple gives us. We have the dynamic, stills, and live. Okay, so if we hit dynamic, let's choose one of these as an example. As you can see, that's how it's going to look. It has a little dynamic movement in the colors, which can be nice, but can also be a little bit more draining on your battery. I'm gonna hit cancel. I'm gonna hit back here where it says choose. And what about stills? Stills, they're just pictures themselves. So these are just default pictures that Apple gives us. You can scroll down. For this example, I'm just going to choose this one right here. Okay, so let's do an example. I'm going to set it. Okay, let's hit set. Now, as you can see on this prompt, it gives us the option to select it for just our lock screen, for just our home screen, or we can set it for both. Okay, let's do the example for just our lock screen. Setting wallpaper. Okay, so I'm gonna just swipe up from the bottom of my screen so we can go to our main page. As you can see, it has the same wallpaper as before. The lock screen does have the one we just selected. So let's go back. I'm just gonna swipe up from the bottom of the screen, holding up, so we can return to where we were. Okay, now for this example, I'm also going to choose another one, or like this one. I'm gonna click set. And for this one, I'm going to choose it for our home screen. I'm gonna hit here. Now, I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom of my screen. And as you can see, the wallpaper for my home screen has changed. And it's the same on all of the other screens. Okay, so I'm just gonna return right here. I'm just gonna do one more example. Let's choose this one on the top right. Okay, I'm gonna set it. Now for this example, we're going to select set both. Hit it right here. And as you can see, it's changed here. And it's also, if I lock my iPhone right now, it will also display the same wallpaper. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm gonna lose recording capabilities, but trust me, it's the same. Okay, so I hope this helps, guys. Please continue to watch my videos, like and subscribe so I can continue to give you guys more helpful tips like this one.